What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be going over the rest of the relational operators. So in the last couple of videos, we discussed the less than and the greater than operator. Okay, next we're going to go over the less than or equal to and the greater than or equal to. So this operator is expressed as such: less than or equal to operator. If there's any confusion, the previous video discussed the assignment operator. So these two symbols together, less than and equal to, in this order, is the less than or equal to operator. So is 3 less than or equal to 5? Let's go ahead and run it. Alright, it passes through, because this boolean statement right here passes through. Actually, we're going to get rid of this variable. We're going to start putting things in here. Okay. Actually, let's put this up here. Alright, so if 3 is less than or equal to 5, we're going to pass through here. Let's run this again, and we'll keep picking up. Okay, now what is 5 less than or equal to 5? Yep, 5 is equal to 5, so it'll pass through for the less than or equal to. Now, is 5 less than 5? That is false. It will not pass through, because this evaluates to false, skips over the entire block, over this block here. Alright, next. And greater than or equal to is the same. If it's greater than or equal to. Is 3 greater than or equal to 5? It'll be false. Let's see if it passes through. And it doesn't, because it's false. This evaluates to false. Now, the last two is the equal to. Does 3 equal 5? In this case, we can't just use a single equal sign, because that's an assignment operator. We have to use 2 equal signs to compare it. So this one here, is 3 equal to 5? It's not true. It'll terminate. Does 5 equal 5? This is true. So it'll pass through. And then last but not least is the not equals. We're going to use an exclamation mark right here. Is 5 not equal to 5? In this case, this is false, because they are equal, so it will not pass through. And let's use a better example. Yep, it does not pass through, because now let's say, is 3 not equal to 5? Are they different from each other? This does pass through because it's true. Okay, so this is the basics of the relational operators. Now we're going to have more complex variables, especially with character values. When we start using characters in the next couple of videos. But this is the bare minimum for the relational operators. I hope that clears that up. And we're going to proceed with some new material in the next video. Thank you for watching.